In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Pocket Option app. If you're facing any issue with this app, maybe the app is too slow, it is not opening, or it keeps on stopping, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to troubleshoot or fix any issue with the app, you need to access Pocket Option app info page, and you can do this by going to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. From apps, you should see all your apps, or look for this option called manage or all apps, and this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From here, search for your app by name, and here we go, Pocket Option. And as you can see, we are on the app info page. First, go to force stop app and confirm, then head to clear data and clear cache, and finally okay. You can further go ahead and clear all data by just typing on clear all data here. For this, you'll be logged out and you'll need to log in afresh to use this app. Once you're done, now you will need to restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Pocket Option app, everything now should be okay and running. But should you still find an issue or a challenge with your app, then you need to go to Google Play Store and check if you have any update your app to the latest version. However, even after doing all this, in case your app keeps on stopping or crashing, for that you will need to uninstall the app completely from your smartphone to remove any bugs that might be associated with this app and install it afresh. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and please watch the next video.